I just bought a new camera, thinking it's gonna fix my content problem. It will not, and I'm gonna show you why. Today I'm gonna make small unboxing. I bought a brand new camera Insta360 Ace Pro 2. That was the discount. And in the same time I wanna and I don't even open it, how you see. Oh my god. Damn. It's same time so small, but wow. 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 It's so good. It's full battery. It's microphone and SD card that I have here. It's like tripod too, but it's metal, like, you know. I don't know how long is it, how big is it, but for maybe 1 meter, but it's not bad. I think so. It's for batteries, and now I have 3 of them. Protection application kit. I don't even know what is it, but it's hobby for me for sure. I have work, I'm working, and same time I'm do. It's another way. I'm gonna put Russian. Alright, it's a bit unusual, and I'm using now this Insta360, and it's the same time work with microphone. It's very easy to film in something. Going back to what I said at the beginning, it's not about the camera, it's about showing up consistently. And I think so, because in the beginning of YouTube, I mean what I'm trying to do now, I think consistently means more than good quality and a brand new camera, something like that. I have a goal trying to post every week, and it's my first experience to be consistent in making videos, and honestly it's quite harder than I thought, but yeah, I keep going.